All right, here we go, friends. This is it on all its glory outside here. And just a quick overview of all the features. I'll probably miss some because it has so many. We have front and rear disc brakes on the 26-inch tires. The motor in the back is a 350 watt motor. This features a 36 volt, 10 amp battery that is removable here. That is also detached with the locking mechanism right here. So if you need to take your bike or charge your battery without taking your whole bike into your house or whatever, you can do that. It's a very nice feature. This also has Shimano derailleurs. This is a 7-speed, very high quality. Shimano's been in the game a long time and they're very reliable. It says quick release on the seat as well as the front tire. Has mud flaps on the front and rear tire as well. We have a cargo rack on the back that holds up to 55 pounds. So many features. The seat is very comfortable. I'm gonna be doing a little test ride here in a minute to show you guys. We have light on the front as well. Very nice shocks that make your ride smooth and comfortable. Here we have the grips here are very comfortable also. Front and rear brakes. We have the electronic controls here for the power, the modes of the bike, and your light on or off. And then we have the display here featuring the mode you want. It shows your battery and how fast you're going. This has a max speed 15.5 miles per hour. If you're just using the battery, if you pedal, you can go a lot faster than that. The range is 37 miles on this. Like I said, this is a 7-speed, so it has our shifters right here, up and down shifting. Very convenient and easy to do. Very smooth, being a Shimano. And then our gas pedal, if you will, is right here with the thumb. We also have a little bell right here. Like I said, just so many features on this C1 DYU or DYU bike. Very fun to ride. Let's go test it out.